Hi there, before I start recording today's row-along workout, I want to give you a really quick tip on how to make sure you don't drop the handle as you come into the front of the machine. And what I mean by that is you find people that come in with a really low handle, either from the return, or they'll come into the front and then they'll do a strange scoop down with the handle. They'll come in and go down, right? And my tip is this, or my hack is this. Get a roll of, kind of a thick roll of sellotape, or this is gaffer tape that still has two winds round it, and put it underneath the chain behind what I call the throat of the machine, okay? So the square bit at the front, I call that the throat. I'm sure Concept 2 call it something completely different. Put it there, and then row. And then you're trying to keep the handle above the roll of gaffer tape. And if you lower it, what happens is the chain rubs against that roll of gaffer tape and will either knock it back, or you'll just see that everything gets a bit flappy. So you can keep an eye on it for a few strokes just to make sure you're at the right height, and then hopefully that will groove into you. So if you have an issue with dropping your handle at the front, either on the return or scooping as you come into the front, then, like I say, a roll of gaffer tape or a thick roll of sellotape or even a tennis ball or something put behind the throat of the machine should help sort you out.